25 years of service and advocacy in our dear country, Nigeria. What we are celebrating today is not longevity or celebrating another 25 years, but celebrating 25 years of purpose. And what can be achieved when an institution is committed to human capital, to a just society, to a fairer society, which we have all been part of. So I say big congrats to you. And as I say that, I also make a request that you adjourn this celebration will spur you to do more. Because today, I'm happy that our African brothers here, today not just Nigeria, but Africa, Nigeria in particular, is faced with all sorts of problems where we have millions of people who don't know where the next meal will come from, where we have issues of human rights, where we have our young people, we have drug issues. I was in Enugu on Saturday where they are launching some of the drug evaluation places. And I was able to tell them that if you look at the prevalence of drug today in Nigeria, it's about 14.something%, way above the global average of 5.5%. So we have a lot of things for you to do. We have other issues. I'm happy that the Minister of Information is there. So he will tell you more of the things he wants you to work on. Because then maybe if I start bringing the information now, I won't want the Minister to spend more time replying me when I'm gone. I want him to tell you areas where he wants to work. But we are faced with the issues of inequality. We are faced with the issues of mounting poverty. We are faced with the issues of drug, child abuse, everything. I urge you, do not relent. Congrats for what you've been able to achieve. But most importantly, your job has just begun. Thank you.